Hello, everybody. Welcome to Delgado Crypto. My name is Angel. We will get straight into what is Hedera Hashgraph. Let's overview what Hedera Hashgraph is. Hedera is a public distributed ledger for building and deploying decentralized applications and microservices. You can use Hedera's network services for consensus, tokens, smart contracts, and file service, as well as Hashgraph consensus algorithm to build applications with high throughput, fair ordering, and low latency. Consensus finality in seconds without relying on centralized infrastructure. This network is made up of permissioned nodes run by the Hedera Governing Council, a group of term-limited enterprises that lead the network's direction. Down the line, the network will move to a permissionless model. We will discuss more about Hedera's governance later on this video, so stick around. Let's talk about what is Hashgraph. Hashgraph is a distributed consensus algorithm and data structure that is fast, fair, and secure consensus mechanism. This indirectly creates a trusted community even when members do not necessarily trust each other. Hedera is the only authorized public network to use Hashgraph as of today. Hedera is a public distributed ledger and governing body built from the ground up to support new and existing applications running at web scale. Developers use distributed ledger technologies to build computational trust directly into their applications. This allows individuals and businesses who might not know or trust each other to quickly and inexpensively collaborate. Public distributed ledgers allow for creating and exchanging value, proving identity, verifying, and authenticating important data and other use cases. Let's go over Hashgraph consensus. The Hedera public network is built on the Hashgraph distributed consensus algorithm invented by Dr. Lehman Baird, Hedera's co-founder and chief scientist. The Hashgraph consensus algorithm provides near-perfect efficiency in bandwidth usage and consequently can process hundreds of thousands of transactions per second, throttled to 10,000 TPS in beta in a single shard, which is a fully connected peer-to-peer mesh of nodes in a network. Shard or sharding is one method utilized by developers to increase transactional throughput and scalability. Unlike a traditional proof-of-work blockchain, which typically selects a single miner to choose the next block, the community of nodes running Hashgraph come to an agreement on which transaction to add to the ledger as a collective. Through gossip about gossip and virtual voting, the Hashgraph network comes to consensus on both the validity and the consensus timestamp of every transaction. If the transaction is valid and within the appropriate time, the ledger state will be updated to include the transaction with 100% certainty finality. Distinguish the difference between blockchain versus Hashgraph. In blockchain, consensus rules require that blocks eventually settle in a single longest chain agreed upon by the community. If two blocks are created at the same time, the network nodes will eventually choose one chain to continue and discard the other one, lest the blockchain fork into two different chains. In Hashgraph, every container of transactions is incorporated into a ledger. None are discarded, so it is more efficient than blockchains. Furthermore, blockchain fails if the new container arrives too quickly. That is why blockchain needs proof of work or some other mechanism to artificially slow down the growth. In the Hashgraph, nothing is thrown away. The Hashgraph consensus algorithm has been validated as asynchronous Byzantine, fault-tolerant by a math proof checked by computers using the COQ system. This provides the claim stated in the Hashgraph tech report that Hashgraph is ABFT, mathematically the highest possible level of security for distributed systems. Consensus and token services. Hedera enables developers to build their decentralized applications on the network utilizing two main services, the consensus and token services, through the easy-to-use API and officially supported / community-supported SDKs. Let's go over Hedera's consensus and token service. Hedera's consensus service. The Hedera consensus service offers applications direct access to the native speed, security, and fair ordering guarantees of the Hashgraph consensus algorithm. Using this service, clients can submit messages to the Hedera public ledger for timestamping and ordering. Clients can also encrypt the message's content, ensuring an application's ability to preserve their users' privacy and prevent the publishing of PII. Messages can include important actionable information in them, events such as for money transfer settlements, user engagements in an advertising platform, tracking of provenance in the supply chain, and more. These order messages will flow out to mirror nodes or clients of mirror nodes for processing in the consensus order. By using Hedera Hashgraph for tamper-proof and verifiable logs of transactions, desperate participants and systems have a real-time view into application events. The Hedera token service offers applications the ability to perform configuration, minting, and management of unique tokens on Hedera without needing to set up and deploy a smart contract. Tokens are as fast, fair, and secure as HBAR and cost a fraction of 1 cent United States dollar to transfer. Clients have fine-grained control over tokens and accounts with key and token configurations that deliver flexibility for account KYC, verification, and freeze, token supply management, transfer, and more. Third-party applications. As the number of applications, assets, and transactions grows, it becomes an integral piece of digital infrastructure on which the world relies. Providing network utility ensures the network's protection by making it even more difficult and expensive to centralize ownership of the native cryptocurrency, preventing the consolidation of voting power for network transactions. Applications deployed on the Hedera mainnet and application development on the testnet are primary health indicators for network utility. At open access, Hedera has thousands of developers building applications on the testnet and over 60 applications live on the Hedera mainnet, pushing millions of transactions per day. Hey, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you would like to stay up to date on our educational content, we will be posting daily on the channel. Also, click the bell notifications, comment if you would like to see more specific content ideas, and remember, you can stay connected with us via Twitter at Delgado Crypto. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you there.